Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 24th, 2024, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of Arthur J. Gallagher, a global leader in insurance brokerage and risk management services. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Arthur J. Gallagher has just released their Q3 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Arthur J. Gallagher reported total revenues of $2.77 billion for the third quarter, marking a 13% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by strong performance in their brokerage and risk management segments. The brokerage segment alone saw a 13% increase in revenues, reaching $2.4 billion. This was supported by organic growth and strategic acquisitions. Additionally, the company reported net earnings of $304.1 million, translating to an EPS of $1.39, up from $1.28 last year.
That's impressive. How did the company's profitability metrics fare this quarter?
Profitability improved significantly, with adjusted EBITDAC margin expanding by 123 basis points. This margin expansion is a result of operational efficiencies and cost management strategies, which have been a focus for the company.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, you mentioned operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on how these have impacted the company's performance?
Certainly. Arthur J. Gallagher has been focusing on optimizing their cost structure, which is evident in their adjusted EBITDAC margin of 33.6%. This is a result of savings in real estate expenses, lower professional fees, and effective headcount management. The company is also benefiting from a robust M&A pipeline, which is expected to drive future growth.
And what about the future outlook? What did the CEO have to say?
CEO J. Patrick Gallagher Jr. expressed optimism about the company's long-term prospects. He highlighted the increase in net new business and renewal premiums, as well as the strong M&A pipeline. The company is well positioned to capitalize on these opportunities, which bodes well for future performance.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Let's talk about strategic initiatives. The company completed 4 mergers this quarter. How does this align with their growth strategy?
The mergers are a key component of Arthur J. Gallagher's growth strategy, allowing them to expand their market presence and enhance service offerings. These acquisitions are expected to contribute positively to the company's revenue and earnings growth in the coming quarters.
How is the company positioned in terms of market dynamics, especially with recent natural events?
Despite recent U.S. hurricanes, insurance pricing has remained stable. The company is seeing positive client exposure changes and an increase in new claims, indicating solid economic activity. This positions Arthur J. Gallagher well in the current market environment.
Risks and challenges. Every company faces risks and challenges. What are some of the key risks for Arthur J. Gallagher?
One of the main challenges is the increased interest and banking costs, which are higher due to recent debt issuances. The company's debt levels are significant, which could impact future financial flexibility. Additionally, foreign exchange remeasurement losses have negatively affected the corporate segment.
Are there any regulatory risks that investors should be aware of?
Yes, regulatory risks are always a concern, especially with the company's international operations. Compliance with various tax, ESG, and data privacy regulations can pose challenges. However, Arthur J. Gallagher has a strong track record of managing these risks effectively.
Key takeaways. In summary, Arthur J. Gallagher has delivered a strong performance in the third quarter of 2024, with a 13% increase in revenue and an 8.6% rise in EPS. The company's strategic initiatives and robust M&A activity position it well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Arthur J. Gallagher is demonstrating solid financial health and strategic foresight. While there are challenges, the company's proactive approach to growth and risk management is commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their M&A activities and market dynamics.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Arthur J. Gallagher's performance in the comments below.